Hello, my crafty friends. It's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda, and I'm here to do an unboxing of some items that I purchased or I received from Beebeecraft. And I just have some information to share about Beebeecraft before I do the unboxing. They want me to promote their YouTube program, and I'm going to put all of the information, link to Beebeecraft's website and their YouTube promotion, as well as other, there's a coupon. I'll leave all that information in the description box below. But they wanted me to tell you that you can get free products by doing videos for them. You'll get the chance if you have more than 100 subscribers. If you want to contact them, I will place a link below with their information for contact for their YouTube program. And let's see, I'm also going to include a coupon code, which is Periwinkle5, but I'll have that written in the description box. So Periwinkle5 will give you a savings of $5 on orders over $40. And the coupon code is valid until December 9th, 2023. So let's do the unboxing. So the first item that I chose and it's Beebeecraft.com. Beebeecraft. So these are Enamel Charms. It comes in this really nice plastic box. And I chose these. I thought they were really cute. We're going to be making some crafts with them. The first craft I'm hoping to do tomorrow. A tutorial with you all. But these are really cute enamel charms. There's a little shirt with pearls and a handbag. They're kind of shabby chic. They're really cute. This is a dress on a hanger. Some pants. Oh, this is lipstick. Hope it's in focus. Some more lipstick. Another purse. Really cute. Let me see if I can get one of each on my hand to show you. Some of them come with two of the same, or maybe all of them are two of the same. Yeah, I think you get two each. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different charms. They're adorable. So we'll be doing crafting with those. Really nice quality. I don't know if I had this t-shirt as well. Maybe there's 11 different. Or 12. I don't know. I forget how many. Oh, there's 10. 10 different. Okay, and then I got these charms, which, and let me see if I have the item number. Okay, so the item number for these charms that I just showed you is ENAM-SC0001-45. I'll put the information in the description box below of these items that I got, in case you're interested in getting these. And then this is X-ENAM-S121-048. And they are enamel charms. And I don't remember the prices. But they're all the same. They're really pretty flowers. So we'll be making items with these charms as well. You get a lot. And then the next item I got are these pins. I don't know exactly what they're called. I'll have to look it up in the listing because I don't remember. But they're just long pins or stainless steel, so they shouldn't rust. And they have loops on the end, so you can add a charm. And this item number is STAS-PH0001-15. And there's 10 in these, I believe is what it says. Comes in a nice little box, plastic box. Felix is going to jump down, I think. And I like these. I got the really long ones. They're a nice thickness. And I just want to see if it fits. I have my art glitter glue wrapped in this quilting material because my craft room, when I'm not in it, I don't have the heat on, and right now it's cold. So I'm hoping these pins will fit. Yep, they fit. So I think tomorrow's project is going to be making some dangles for art glitter glue and other small metal top glues. So it's a nice length, and it's got the eye pin, and it's stainless steel, so it's not supposed to rust. Oh, and there's also some flathead ones as well. So you get, maybe it's different sizes, and I think it's all the same size, but some have flat heads and some have the rounded. So those are great. And then the last thing that I got this one is STAS-UN0020-03. And I also want to say that this came really fast. I think I ordered this, let me look at the date. I ordered this on December 9th. Oops. So it came pretty quick. And these are just some silver and gold jump rings. And then the lobster claw clasps. And these are chains. These are just different chains with little charms on them that I thought would be nice to use for dangles. These are really nice. I really like these. So there's a bunch of different charms on them. Very nice. So yeah, I definitely recommend the quality is great. So I got these in silver and gold. So we got a lot of fun things to play with. I will list all the items, all the information for their YouTube program and the coupon code in the description box below. So you can go check them out and place your orders as you wish. So Willow is here now, checking it all out. Of course, I love all little new things. Willow, what you doing? What you doing, buddy? Come say hi. Come say hi. I'll take the camera off so you can see. What you doing, buddy? What you doing? And then Felix, he's up at the camera. And then you can see our nasty snow that we have. Felix. Yeah, so whoop, he jumps up all the way up there. That's how naughty he is. So thank you so much for joining me today, and there will be a fun video tomorrow that will be using some of these charms and metallic items in our crafting video tomorrow. So if you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the bell so that you'll be notified when the videos go up. And until the next time, take care, stay safe, be well, all that good stuff. Bye-bye, friends.